Welcome to CSGAB Info Hub. We shall overcome. College Students and Graduates Association of the Blind. Tinagar Chennai. Telephone number 0442434868.
சட்டம் அறிவோம், சம உரிமைகளை காப்போம்.
தமிழன் என்று சொல்லடா, தலையில் நிறுத்தி நில்லடா, தமிழடா.
GOMS number 28 dated 27/7/2018 விளம்பி ஆடி 11 திருவள்ளுவர் ஆண்டு 2049. The Tamil Nadu Rights of Persons with Disabilities Rules 2018. Schedule 1 Form 1 See Rules 521 and 2. Form of application to the designated authority by a person with disability, parent, relative or a registered organization for appointment of limited guardian. From date to the district collector designated authority. Sir, Madam, dash is a person with disability and require a limited guardian to take legally binding decisions regarding dash. I/V hereby request that dash be appointed as limited guardian of the said dash for dash purpose for a period of dash. We furnish hereunder further details and request early decision. 1. Particulars of the person with disability. 1. Name of the person with disability. 2. Complete postal address. 3. Age. 4. Male, female. 5. Type of disability and percentage of disability. Xerox copy to be enclosed. 6. ID card number, UDID number. Xerox copy to be enclosed. 7. Aadhaar card number, Xerox copy to be enclosed. 8. Contact number. 2. Particulars of the applicant. 1. Name of the applicant. 2. Complete postal address. 3. Age. 4. Male, female. 5. Relationship with person with disability. 6. Type of disability and percentage of disability of person with disability. Xerox copy to be enclosed. 7. ID card number / UDID number of person with disability. Xerox copy to be enclosed. 8. Aadhaar card number of the applicant. Xerox copy to be enclosed. 9. Contact number. 3. Particulars of the persons or registered organization proposed to be appointed as limited guardian. 1. Name. 2. Postal address. 3. Age. 4. Male, female. 5. Relationship with person with disability. 6. Details of registration in case of registered organization. 7. Contact phone number. 1. Landline. 2. Mobile. 8. Purpose for which limited guardianship is required. Please attach documents if any. 9. Period for which the support of limited guardianship is required. 10. Details of situation, if any, which warrants limited guardianship, please describe. Consent of the person to be appointed as limited guardian. I/V hereby agree to be the limited guardian of dash for a period of dash and shall discharge my/our obligation with due diligence. Signature of the applicant / person with disability. Signature of the proposed limited guardian /S. Form 2. See Rule 526. Form of confirmation of appointment of limited guardian on application made by 1. Person with disability. 2. A registered organization. Or 3. Parent or relative of person with disability. I, Mr/Mrs. Selvi dash district collector dash district having considered the application made by dash hereby appoint dash as limited guardian for Mr/Miss dash name of the person with disability for a period of dash for the purpose of taking legally binding decisions regarding dash. The obligations of limited guardian shall be as listed below. Joint photo of limited guardian and person with disability. Place, date, signature of designated authority, stamp, stroke, seal. Form 3. See Rules 8, 1 and 4. Application for certificate stroke renewal of registration. 1. Name of the institution. 2. Administrative office, address, phone number and email ID of the institution. 3. Place of institution, address, phone number and email ID of the institution. 4. Applicant is an institution registered under the Tamil Nadu Societies Registration Act 1975, Tamil Nadu Act 27 of 1975. A public trust registered under any law for the time being in force. Indian Red Cross Society or its branches. Company registered under Section 25 of the erstwhile Companies Act 1956, Central Act 1 of 1956. Any other institution, details of registration with the name of the Act, which may be recognized by the Ministry for the purpose of this scheme, details of registration with the name of Act, copy to be enclosed. 5. Date of registration of the institution. 6. Brief history of the institution and of its objects and activities. 7. Type of services rendered by the institution, indicate specified disability wise. 8. Whether recognized by the government, if so provide details. 9. Copy of previous certificate of registration issued under subsection 2 of section 51 of the Act or the persons with disabilities, Equal Opportunities Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act 1995, Central Act 1 of 1996. 10. Whether located in its own or rented building and provide address details. If rented, enclose rental agreement copy. 11. Present number of beneficiaries with disabilities. Serial number, name, address, age, sex, type of specified disability, percentage of disability and ID card stroke UDID card number. 12. Mandatory documents. A. License permitting the use of the institution as public building under the Tamil Nadu Public Buildings Licensing Act 1965, Tamil Nadu Act 13 of 1965. B. Blueprint of the building map drawn by qualified engineer. C. Self-declaration regarding provision of adequate sanitary facilities separately for staffs, stroke teachers and pupils, male and female separately. D. No objection certificate from the station officer, Fire and Rescue Services Department in the area where the institution is situated, and E. Self-declaration that no thatched structure shall exist in the premises of the institution. 13. Whether trained staff and other suitable facilities for undertaking the project are available. If so, give details. In case new staff is to be appointed, give details of the qualifications, academic, professional and experience prescribed for the purpose, number of employees working in the organization, whether they are full-time or part-time, recognized by Rehabilitation Council of India, stroke state government, stroke central government. 14. List of papers, stroke statements to be attached. A. Constitution of the organization. B. Constitution of Board of Management with particulars of each member. C. A statement indicating equipment, apparatus, furniture, library books, etc. by number of details whichever is possible, already available, and a separate statement indicating the details of items purchased with financial assistance from the government. 15. Details of barrier-free facilities in the institution. 16. Recreation / sports facilities. 17. Transport and attendant facilities for persons with disabilities. 18. List of additional information if any. Place, date, signature, name of the applicant. Form 4. See Rule 8.2. Facilities and standards to be met by institutions for grant of certificate of registration. 1. A. License permitting the use of the institution as public building under the Tamil Nadu Public Buildings Licensing Act 1965, Tamil Nadu Act 13 of 1965. B. Blueprint of the building map drawn by qualified engineer. C. No objection certificate from the station officer, Fire and Rescue Services Department in the area where the institution is situated. And D. Self-declaration that no thatched structure shall exist in the premises of the institution. 2. Ownership of building or valid rental agreement for the building. 3. Provision of barrier-free facilities applicable for the category of disability being dealt with by the institution. 4. Employment of qualified professionals as per the guidelines of Government / Rehabilitation Council of India in the institution. 5. Provision of adequate furniture, teaching / learning / training aids and equipment. 6. The standards mentioned in serial numbers 1 and 2 above are not applicable to institutions providing services to persons with disabilities at the field level, such as community-based rehabilitation services, awareness program, distribution of aids and appliances, medical camp, etc., which does not require a permanent infrastructure like classroom, training room, and residential facilities. Form 5, see Rule 8.3. Commissionerate for Welfare of the Differently Abled Persons, Lady Willington College Campus, Kamarajar Salai, Chennai 5. Certificate of Registration / Renewal. Registration is awarded / renewed to - as an institution for the persons with disabilities wide serial number - on - under subsection 2 of section 51 of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, Central Act 49 of 2016 to run - within brackets residential / non-residential / daycare / community-based rehabilitation program / awareness program bracket closes - This certificate of registration is valid for the period commencing from - to - Commissioner for Welfare of the Differently Abled. Schedule 2. See Rules 10(1) and 3. List of certifying authority for the issue of disability certificate. Table 1. Serial number 1. Specified disability in case of amputation or complete permanent paralysis of limbs or dwarfism. Medical authority for the purpose of the issue of disability center, hospitals / institutions / primary health centers run by central and state government / statutory local bodies. Certifying authority to issue certificate of disability, any doctor / medical practitioner working in the hospitals / institutions / primary health centers run by government / statutory local bodies. 2. Multiple disability, medical authority, district hospital, other hospitals / institutions run by central and state governments / statutory local bodies having relevant medical specialist and testing assessment facilities. Certifying authority, medical board consisting of 3 members of whom 2 will be specialists dealing with relevant disabilities. 3. Specified disabilities not mentioned in serial numbers 1 and 2 above. Medical authority, hospitals / primary health centers / institutions run by central and state governments / statutory local bodies having relevant medical specialist and testing / assessment facilities. Certifying authority, a specialist dealing with the relevant disability as specified in the table 2 given below. Table 2. Serial number, category, specialist. 1. Locomotor disability other than amputation or complete permanent paralysis of limbs and dwarfism. Specialist in physical medicine and rehabilitation or orthopedician. 2. Muscular dystrophy. Specialist in physical medicine and rehabilitation or orthopedician. 3. Leprosy cured person, specialist in physical medicine and rehabilitation or orthopedician. 4. Cerebral palsy, specialist in physical medicine and rehabilitation or orthopedician. 5. Acid attack victim, specialist in physical medicine and rehabilitation or orthopedician. 6. Blindness, specialist in the field of ophthalmology. 7. Low vision, specialist in the field of ophthalmology. 8. Deaf, specialist in the field of ear, nose, throat, ENT. 9. Hard of hearing, specialist in the field of ear, nose, throat, ENT. 10. Speech and language disabilities, specialist in the field of ear, nose, throat, ENT and neurologist. 11. Intellectual disability, children with intellectual disability below the age of 18 years, pediatrician or pediatric neurologist or psychiatrist. Adults with intellectual disability above the age group of 18 years, psychiatrist. 12. Specific learning disabilities, medical board consisting of A. Pediatrician and B. Psychiatrist and trained psychologist. 13. Autism spectrum disorder, medical board consisting of A. Psychiatrist and trained psychologist and B. Pediatrician or general physician. 14. Mental illness, psychiatrist. 15. Chronic neurological conditions such as multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease. Medical board consisting of A. Psychiatrist and trained psychologist and B. Neurologist and C. Orthopedician or specialist in physical medicine and rehabilitation. 16. Hemophilia, hematologist or orthopedician or pediatrician or general physician. 17. Thalassemia, hematologist or orthopedician or pediatrician or general physician. 18. Sickle cell disease, hematologist or orthopedician or pediatrician or general physician. By order of the Governor, C. Vijayaraj Kumar, Secretary to Government, True Copy, Section Officer.
Compilation of state and central government orders are brought out and made available by College Students and Graduates Association of the Blind in 3 volumes.
Thanks for listening and do not forget to subscribe. We will join you with the new post.